My dear students, good morning to everybody. Again, another competitive chemistry, that is NEET JEE competitive chemistry. One is I am going to discuss about the carbides today. Here we have to go through three different carbides. This question was figured in many competitive examinations. One is calcium carbide, calcium carbide, that is CaC2, CaC2. Here the thing is calcium carbide, one is calcium carbide, the other is aluminum carbide, Al4C3 aluminum carbide, the other is beryllium carbide, the other one is Mg2C3 magnesium carbide. So definitely, if you keen on this type of carbides, definitely you may grab the marks in competitive examinations. So here the thing is, calcium carbide undergoes hydrolysis. What happened? Aluminum carbide undergoes hydrolysis. What happened? Beryllium carbide undergoes hydrolysis. What happened? Magnesium carbide Mg2C3. You know what is hydrolysis? Reactive with water. What happened? Please listen. Now I am going to take Al4C3. Al4C3 hydrolysis reactive with water, we get aluminum hydroxide plus methane. Methane. Aluminum carbide. You know the valency of aluminum is 3. Al4C3. Al4C3. In aluminum carbide, C 4 minus. Al plus 3. 3 into 4 plus 3. Here 4 minus. 4 into 3, 12. 3 into 4 plus 12 minus 1 cancel. So in aluminum carbide, carbon is in the form of C4 minus. Okay, leave it. Aluminum carbide reactive with water, we get aluminum hydroxide and methane. Here the oxidation state of carbon, how much? You know hydrogen is 1. 4 hits are there. 4. So carbon is nothing but minus 4. Here also minus 4. In aluminum carbide, if you want to calculate aluminum carbide 3C Al4C3 minus 4. 4 into 3, 12. 3 into minus 4, 12. Okay? 3C 3 into C, 3C plus 4 into 3, 0. 3C plus 12 is equal to 0. 3C is equal to minus 12. C is equal to minus 12 by 3 and minus 4. I want to calculate the carbon oxidation state. You know very well. Al valency 3. So 3 into carbon plus, I want to calculate the carbon. 3 into carbon plus aluminum 3. 4 into 3. 4 aluminums are there. 4 into 3. 3 into carbon, I don't know carbon oxidation state. 3 into carbon plus 4 into 3 is equal to 0. 3C, aluminum 3, trivalency. It was present in third group or 13 group. Boron, aluminum, gallium, indium, thallium. 13th group, aluminum. So it shows trivalency. Okay. 0, 3C is equal to minus 12, C is equal to minus 4. So carbon minus 4. Here also minus 4. No change in oxidation number. No change in oxidation number. So what I can say, this reaction is nothing but there is no question of change. Reduction, oxidation. When oxidation number increases, it undergoes oxidation. When oxidation number decreases, it undergoes reduction. So here oxidation number minus 4, here also minus 4. So no change in oxidation number. Either it undergoes reduction, neither it undergoes reduction nor oxidation. Okay? Oxidation, no. Reduction, no. Here minus 4, here also minus 4. So no change in oxidation number. Non-redox reaction. Am I correct? Non-redox reaction. Non-redox reaction. Please keep it in mind. There is no change in oxidation number. So let me repeat. In aluminum carbide, carbon minus 4. In aluminum carbide, carbon has minus 4 valency. Okay. Aluminum carbide undergoes hydrolysis. That means when it reacts with water, we get aluminum hydroxide and methane. So we have a methane. So I will call them as methanides. What I am calling them? Methanides. Al4C3 METHANIDS. Methanides. What are methanides? Whenever you are going to react aluminum carbide with water, that is nothing but hydrolysis, we will have a aluminum hydroxide and a methane. In this reaction, we are going to observe methane. We are getting methane. So this compound is called methanides. What are methanides? Whenever a compound reacts with water or whenever a compound undergoes hydrolysis, it gives methane. So I am going to call it as a methanide. There is no change in oxidation number for which non-redox reaction. Okay. You can balance this equation. Al4 carbon 3. You can balance the equation. You can say H2O, how many H2Os are there? You can say how many? Now 4 into 3, 12H. 12 O's are there. Here, if you multiply 6, what happened? 6H2O, 12H, 16H. So going on, you simply H2O, how can you write? HOH. Al4C3. Al4H3. So aluminum requires 3 hydroxy groups. Here carbon reacts with hydrogen and gives methane. So you balance the equation, then we will have a clear cut picture. 4 into Al, 4Al, 4Al, 3 carbon, 3 carbon, 3 carbon, 12, 12H, here 12H, here 12O, 24, 24 means 12H, 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 24H, okay, okay, 12O, 4 into 3, 12O. You simply write HOH. How many OHs are there? How many OHs are there here? 12. 12 OH. 12 OH. So, 12 OH. 12 OH. Aluminum react with 4 aluminium. Aluminum react with 4 moles of aluminium. React with 12 OH. We will get 4AlOH. At the same time, carbon react with 3 carbons, react with 12H. That is nothing but 3 into 4. So we can write like this. 12H2O means 12H, 12OH. We can write it. 12H2O means 12H, 12OH. H2O means HOH. Am I correct? H2O means HOH. I am here. The balanced equation is 12H2O means 12H, 12OH. Then Al4C3 react with this type of 12H and 12OH. We will get 4AlOH thrice and 3CH4. Next one, B to C plus H2O. BOH twice plus methane. Here you take 2H2 because here 2. You see B2. So 2B, 2 into 2, 4, 4H, 4O, here 4H, total 8H, 4O. So 4 into 2, 8H, 4 into 4, okay. B to C, beryllium carbide, react with water, we get beryllium hydroxide and methane. I can call it as methanides. Whenever a carbide undergoes hydrolysis, if it gives methane, I can call them as methanides. Kindly keep it in mind. Methanides. B to C. Methanides, you kindly keep it in mind. Carbon shows 4 minus. You simply note it. Be2, Be plus 2, 2 into 2, 4 plus 4 minus 4. Am I correct? Here minus 4. Carbon also, what is the oxidation state of carbon? 4H. Carbon, C plus 4H is equal to 0. C is equal to, H is 1. 4 into 1, this is 0. C is equal to minus 4. So here also no change in oxidation number. In stoichiometry equation, left side carbon minus 4, methane also minus 4. Non-redox reaction, kindly keep it in mind. There is no increase in oxidation number, there is no decrease in oxidation number. This is nothing but non-redox reaction. So here in this carbide, we have a methane. So this is nothing but methanides. Whenever if you have a methane, those carbonates are called methanides. In methanides, the carbon shows minus 4 oxidation state. Minus 4. Kindly keep it in mind. Minus 4. Here, aluminum carbide we have discussed it. In this carbide also, minus 4. Methanides, minus 4. calcium carbide, CaC2. Calcium carbide, you kindly keep in mind, C2 shows -2. C2 shows -2. You know very well, Ca plus 2, C, 1C vachi, -1. If you take C2, -2. Calcium carbide, I can write like this. Am I correct? CaC2, Ca plus 2, C is nothing but -1. Calcium carbide. This is plus 2, this is -1. So, how many? -1, -2. So, C2 -2. Whenever your chemistry mentor Chandrasekhar sir has discussed about calcium carbide, the oxidation state of carbide C2 minus shows -2. Single carbon shows -1. C2, calcium carbide means C2. C2 shows -2. In previously, this is nothing but calcium carbide reacting with water, acetylene, HEC triple bond CH. This is +1, this is -1, -1 +1. Here already discussed just now, -1. Carbon -1, here also -1, no change in oxidation number, so non-redox reaction. Non-redox reaction. So here acetylene we have obtained. This is nothing but I can write like this. HEC triple bond CH, -1, -2, acetylene -2, hydrogen +1, plus calcium hydroxide. So like this, you can write like this, He2O, HeOH. You can write like this. Here 2OH twice. You can write like this, 2H2OH. H2O. If you take 2H2O, CaOH taken twice, 2H, 2OH, CaOH twice, okay. C2H2, okay. So CaC2 plus 2H2O gives C2H2 plus acetylene. Calcium carbide reacting with water or calcium carbide undergoes hydrolysis, we get acetylene. This is nothing but it forms acetylene. So I can call calcium carbide is acetylides. Chala most important one, acetylides. So what are acetylides? Whenever a carbide undergoes hydrolysis, if it forms acetylene, then I can call them as acetylide. Acetylide is a non-redox reaction. There is no change in oxidation state of carbon here and here. So -1. There is no change in oxidation state. So non-redox reaction. I can write like this. To balance this equation, I have to mention 2H, 2OH. Calcium react with 2OH and convert to calcium hydroxide. Here carbide C2, here 2H. Nothing but C2H2. So, that is all.